our new Mileage Plus program. You can enroll online at united.com. When the captain does turn off the fasten seatbelt sign, this will be your only indication that it's safe for you to then get up and move about the cabin this morning. We will ask, however, that while seated, you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened in case we should experience any unexpected turbulence. In just a few moments, we'll be coming through the main cabin this morning with a complimentary beverage service. In the main cabin, we do offer a variety of Coca-Cola products as well as hot coffee, tea, juices, and spring water. In the seat back pocket, you'll find a copy of our in-flight magazine, Hemisphere. In the back pages of the magazine, you'll find a menu of our a la carte snacks, snack boxes, and fresh breakfast foods. All of these items, as well as beer, wine, and margaritas, will all be available for purchase in the main cabin. And you can make a purchase of any of these items with either a credit or debit card only, please. Our in-flight entertainment this morning is video on demand right at your seats. If you need a headset for the audio to the programming, we'll have those available for you in the main cabin for purchase. You can purchase a headset for only $3. It'll be yours to keep and enjoy on future United flights. If you've got your own headset with you this morning, we invite you to plug it in and enjoy the entertainment options. A variety of movies and games will be available for you throughout the flight. There are 4 lavatories located throughout the cabin, 2 of which can be found in the rear part of the main cabin, and 1 near the door which you entered the aircraft. All 3 of these lavatories will be reserved for our main cabin guests. 1 located in the very forward part of the aircraft is reserved for our first class guests, and we do appreciate you respecting this arrangement. In the seatback pocket, you'll also find a copy of our in-flight shopping catalog Skyball, which does contain some unique gift ideas, and we do invite you to take the catalog along with you as a souvenir of today's flight. Once again, flight time is 3 hours and 52 minutes en route, which should have us in Denver just perhaps a little bit before our scheduled arrival. All that we ask at this time is that you sit back, relax, enjoy our flight into Denver. If there's anything that any of us can do to make today's flight more enjoyable, please don't hesitate to let us know.